Good morning, student. How are you? Hope you all are fit and fine, enjoying at home and as well as studying. This is your GK class and I am going to discuss about Indian festivals. There are three types of festival in India, my dear. It is chapter 17 and there are three types of festival in India. One is religious, first is national festival, second is religious festival and third is harvest festival. In national festival we celebrate Republic Day, Independence Day and Gandhi Jayanti. And religious festival we celebrate many festival, and in harvest festival also we celebrate Onam, Pongal, this type of festivals. Today I am going to discuss with you some of the festivals. See, Diwali is called Festival of Lights. And why Diwali is celebrated, my dear? Because Lord Ram returned to his home Ayodhya after the exile of 14 years in jungle. So, people welcomed him in his home with diya, and from that day onwards it is celebrated with lights, and that's why it is called the Festival of Light. After that, see, Holi. Holi is called the Festival of Colors because usually we play with colors in Holi. And Holi also tells us to regret all to leave all the enmity and turn into friendship. This is the picture of Dashara. And why we celebrate Dashara, you know, because on this day only Ramchandra ji killed Ravan, who was presenting as an evil person, who was a wrong person in the society. And that's why he was killed on this day, and from that day onward Ravan Vadh is done. Ravan, we usually think to all the evil things which we are having inside, so we should burn and destroy all the evils from us. We should remove all the evil from us and begin a new beginning. This is Makar Sankranti. It is also known as Kite Festival, my dear. Makar Sankranti is known as Kite Festival because people usually enjoy flying kite in this festival. It is celebrated on 14th of January. And we usually use the things made of til on this day. And this is the picture of Dashara festival, Durga Puja. And what does Durga Puja teach us? It teaches truth and justice. Because truth and justice always wins. It tells us that ego is the root cause of evil. We should burn all the negative thoughts and intention. We should not disrespect women and never put someone down. So, you will see that all the festivals teaches us some good things. This is the picture of Krishna Janmashtami, and this we celebrate the birthday of Lord Krishna as Janmashtami because he took birth on the Ashtami of the month, 8th day of the month Bhadrapad. This is the festival of Ganesh Chaturthi, and it is celebrated with great pomp and show usually in South India, because we also celebrate because God Ganesh is known as the remover of the all the obstacles which comes in our life. This is Guru Nanak Jayanti, and this is celebrated as Guru Parv on the birth anniversary of the Sikh Guru. And Raksha Bandhan is celebrated as the bond of protection. On this day, brother gives a promise to the sisters to give them protection. Now the thing has changed according to the times, but usually brothers are thought to be more strong than sisters. This is the picture of Eid al-Adha Mubarak. And my dear, after 1 month of fasting, this festival comes as Eid. And after we see the moon, the festival is celebrated. Bihu, it is the harvest festival of Assam. See how in Bihu people wear new clothes, celebrate, and see the rangoli they are making, and they are dancing also very nicely. And the harvest, next we will see the harvest festival of Kerala, and it is Onam. And the folk dance of Kerala is done on that day, and whatever thing is cooked, that is served on the plate of banana, on the banana leaf, and many types of food is cooked, and we all people eat together and enjoy the things. This is the harvest. Now we will read about the harvest festival of Punjab, and that is Baisakhi. After the Rabi harvest, usually in March or in the end of the March or beginning of the April, it is celebrated in Punjab. And this is the picture of Mahashiv Ratri. It is celebrated on the marriage anniversary of Lord Shiva every year in the month of Fagun. Usually it falls in the month of March in English month. And after, my dear, festival is a time for celebration, which is a reason to smile and relax. It brings together relatives, friends, and even enemies. Many families does major purchases these days. We feel happy. We clean our houses. We share our feelings, our emotions, our gifts with our neighbors also. We have some fun, different types of sweets. Means in short, we can say that festival spreads love and happiness. It gives newness in our life. And now we are having some question related to this festivals, and you have to answer. Now see, which festival is called the festival of light? And in short, you can write Diwali. And if you have to write in whole sentence, in the place of which you will write Diwali, in place of which festival you will write Diwali is called the festival of light. Next is, which festival is called the festival of colors? And in the place of which festival, what we will write? Holi. And our answer will be, Holi is called the festival of colors. Which is the harvest festival of Punjab? And in the place of which we will write Baisakhi. Baisakhi is the harvest festival of Punjab. Which festival is celebrated on the birth of Lord Jesus? And in the place of which festival we will write? Christmas. Christmas is celebrated on the birth of Lord Jesus. Which festival is known as the bond of protection? And this is Raksha Bandhan. In the place of which festival we will write Raksha Bandhan is known as the bond of protection. Which festival is celebrated on the anniversary of Sikh Guru's birth? And it is Guru Parv. We celebrate Guru Parv on the birth anniversary of Sikh Guru's birth. Now, which festival is known as Kite Festival? And this is Makar Sankranti. Now, the last question is, what does Dasahara teach us? And my dear, Dasahara teaches us many lessons. It teaches us that truth and justice shall always win. Ego is the root cause of evil. We should not keep ego and burn the negative thoughts and intentions. So we should remember these things and act according to this. And my dear, you will write SW and date, and very nicely and in very neat and clean handwriting you will do your homework. And thank you, my dear, for watching this video.